How to fix unable to update WhatsApp on your iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're having trouble updating WhatsApp on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to fix those pesky update issues, so let's dive right in. Sometimes updating WhatsApp can be a real hassle. You might find the app keeps loading or just won't update at all. But don't worry, I've got some simple solutions for you. First thing first, we need to go back to our App Store and then tap on it. Once in the App Store, you can find the profile icon in the top right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on it. Now scroll down and you will see if the WhatsApp is ready to update, it will be listed here. Since we can't find it here, we can try another way. We can go back to the search bar and then search for WhatsApp here. After it's done, you need to select the WhatsApp, and here if the update is available, simply update it. This is crucial for allowing updates to go through. One important thing to keep in mind, if you install WhatsApp using a different Apple ID, you won't be able to update it with your current ID. In that case, you will need to delete the app. Just remember, this will erase all your data unless you back it up first. After deleting, you can reinstall WhatsApp using your current Apple ID. Lastly, always make sure iPhone is running the latest iOS version. In order to check if your iPhone is running on the latest iOS version, you need to go to your settings. Once in your settings, scroll down and tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Here, you can see that if your iPhone is running on the latest version of your software or not. If there is a software update available, simply press on it and update your iPhone to the latest version. And this might help you solve your problem if you follow these steps. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next video.